To get started, you'll want to click on Edit on the quiz that you would like to map to ConvertKit. Under Lead Generation, choose Connect your email list and then choose ConvertKit. You'll need to hook up your API key and API secret, which you can find in your ConvertKit account settings. Simply copy that and paste it in to Interact and click on Connect. From here, you'll need to set up your triggers. So the first thing that you're going to do is add an action. You can choose to add to sequence, add to a form, or update a subscriber field. The action you choose can also be different for each quiz outcome and answer choice. In this case, we're going to choose Add to Form, and we'll choose our form that already exists in ConvertKit. We'll do the same thing for each of the 4 results that we have in this quiz. And once we're finished, hit Save and Continue. You'll do the same thing for your answer actions, and just simply map them to the form that you'd like them to match up with. Then you'll want to make sure that your form fields are also mapped, meaning that the Interact email address is registering as a ConvertKit email address and so on, and click on Save and Continue. Then you can choose to test your integration just to make sure that all of your form fields are coming through properly, and then you'll be all set. Now, Interact should be sending your leads through to ConvertKit and mapping them accordingly.